In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a footer on Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned website creator or just getting your digital feet wet, this guide is tailored to help you enhance your Squarespace site with a few simple steps. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where the journey begins. Once you're there, your next move is to log into your account. Squarespace offers a streamlined login process, so simply click on the login button prominently displayed on the page. For those of you who have your Google account linked, you can expedite the process by selecting Continue with Google. This option simplifies things by skipping the traditional email and password entry, provided you're already logged into your Google account. So go ahead and click on your Google account to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to focus on your specific Squarespace site. You'll want to go directly to your website's dashboard. For ease of access and to make sure we're all on the same page, you'll find a link directing you there. This is where the magic happens and you'll start to see your vision come together. Now let's hone in on the task at hand, fixing that footer. Locating the search bar within your Squarespace dashboard is your next step. The search function is a handy tool that quickly navigates you through the plethora of options Squarespace offers. Type custom CSS into the search bar. This is where you'll add the custom code that will address any footer issues you're encountering. CSS, or cascading style sheets, allows you to customize the look and feel of your site beyond the standard options Squarespace provides. After searching, click on the custom CSS option that appears. This action will take you to the CSS editor, a blank canvas for your custom code. The CSS editor is where the real customization begins, allowing precise tweaks and changes to your site's appearance. Now onto the main event, typing in the code to fix your footer. This step might sound daunting, but with the right code snippet it's straightforward. Whether you're adjusting the footer's position, changing its color, or adding custom elements, the code you enter here will make those changes take effect. And that's it. With those steps, you've navigated the Squarespace dashboard, accessed the CSS editor, and entered the custom code needed to tweak your footer to perfection. Remember to save your changes before exiting the editor. Customizing your site can seem complex, but with guides like this, tweaking elements like your site's footer can be both achievable and fun. So go ahead, give your Squarespace footer the personal touch it needs to stand out. With this guide, you're well on your way to not just fixing your footer, but also to understanding more about how customization in Squarespace works. Happy editing,